have a good opportunity here to give an example of what a snap cut is. We use a snap cut when you have a large piece of wood, but yet still small enough to be able to break off with your own hands. First, you have to make it weak enough by making a cut on one side and then an offset cut on the other side, an inch or two in, and have them overlap. After you do these two overlapping cuts, the branch will be weak enough that you can grab it with your own hands, break it off, and throw it to the ground. All right, example of a snap cut. On this particular snap cut, each cut is vertical so that the hinge wood can keep the limb from falling. If I had made them horizontal, well then of course gravity is just going to bring the limb down and I wouldn't have control of it. Now in this case I could just grab it, break it off, and there you go. Just make sure it's light enough. If you want to learn more about mesquites and palo verdes, go to romeotreeservice.com, click on the products page, and you'll find our 45-minute video, Mesquites and Palo Verdes, a Homeowner's Guide. Thanks for watching.